Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the camera, so let's do it. And since we are on the photo mode, it is very important we can take a look at this option bar. Right in the middle we've got the timer option, which is right now turned off, and in order to check all of the things, just tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got another 3 options from which we can choose. We can set 2, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So in order to pick some, just tap on it. Let me pick 10 seconds delay, and as you can see it immediately changes. Right here the icon is different, so all we have to do right now is simply check it. So let's tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, and let's check another option. Let me pick, for example, 5 seconds. The same situation, icon has been changed, shutter button, and right now it is counting down, but from 5. In order to turn off the timer, just tap on it and tap on this off icon, and after checking we can see that from now on this device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.